focus. So we've got visuals of a SpiceJet fire in the engine. The warning of the fire in the engine was not alarmed in the cockpit, raising questions about the technical errors in the cockpit of the aircraft. Now, these are the visuals coming to light, exclusive visuals on Republic, showing you how there was fire, in fact, in the engine of the SpiceJet. Now, the warning of the fire in the engine was not alarmed in the cockpit, again raising questions of technical errors in the cockpit of the engine. Viewers, we have been covering this story about the SpiceJet malfunction, how the flight had to be diverted, and now we've got exclusive visuals about this, showing the fire in the engine on your screen, in fact. Now, we're given to understand that the warning of the fire in the engine was not alarmed in the cockpit. My colleague Harsha has been closely tracking this story, now joins me with more details. Harsha, we've got exclusive visuals showing the fire, in fact, in the engine of the SpiceJet aircraft. Give us more details, help our viewers understand how exactly and what these visuals show and why was the warning ignored?
So, Ishita, there was no warning signal only in the cockpit of the aircraft. Usually, when there's a fire in the engine or fire in any of the system of the aircraft, in that particular situation, there's an alarm in the cockpit, and the alarm only, alarm only is like a warning signal to the pilot in command, after which he informs the ATC. But in this particular case of today's SpiceJet, why the Mayday call was made to the ATC was because there was no fire alarm in the cockpit. There was a fire in the engine. There was an engine failure in the SpiceJet SG-121 aircraft, but there was no warning signal in the cockpit, and that also SpiceJet has mentioned in its statement that there was no fire alarm or warning in the cockpit, because of which it was not known largely that whether the fire has been caught in the engine or not. But yes, the pilot in command eventually got to know that there's an engine failure issue, after which he made a Mayday call to the ATC, and there was an emergency declared at Delhi airport, and the flight was made to land at Delhi immediately, seconds after taking off from Delhi for Leh. And that's the visual, fresh visuals update, which is on the Republic TV. The visuals of the fire could be seen at one of the engines of the SpiceJet aircraft. The engine, exactly one of the engines which caught the fire, which might have led to the engine failure, which is being told as a reason for the Mayday call. But the further investigation and probe in this entire matter will reveal exactly the technical errors in the cockpit of the SpiceJet aircraft. Back to you.
So, Harsha, do we know anything about the technical error as to why there was no warning about this fire in the cockpit?
That is what will be investigated, Ishita, because the technical error in the cockpit clearly means that there was some issue with the mechanical and technical system of the cockpit, and that's the reason why in first go the pilot couldn't understand. There was no fire alarm in the cockpit giving a warning signal to the pilot in command of the SpiceJet aircraft, and that's the technical error is being looked into, and that's the reason why this particular SpiceJet aircraft has been grounded now at Delhi airport. It will not be allowed to make or take any operations until further, until all the investigations are completed and the aircraft is properly checked. The particular aircraft has been grounded at the Delhi airport. This particular aircraft, Boeing 737 SpiceJet 121, will not be taking any further operations en route till the time all the maintenance and repair work have not been completed, and the technical issues in the cockpit will not be fixed. The investigations will further tell us what was the exact technical error. The aircraft had the maintenance issue, the technical issue, why it was not fixed, any MEL was not properly fixed since months. These all details will be coming from the DGCA after the further investigation and probe.
Right, of course. Harsha, continue to stay with me on this, but let's get our viewers the visuals, in fact, of the SpiceJet aircraft, how the fire, in fact, was visible in the engine. The warning of the fire was not alarmed in the cockpit, which is why the action could not be taken in time. But we understand there were some technical errors. Investigation will only reveal what exactly was the technical error. But those are the visuals on your screen, viewers, showing you the fire in the engine of the SpiceJet flight, which was diverted after the Mayday call. All right, Harsha, it's a big safety hazard if the alarm was not in fact conveyed in the cockpit. I want to ask you, is this because of the negligence, let's say in terms of checks which are taking place before an aircraft takes off, in terms of maintenance that could have led to these technical errors and the alarm being not sounded?
Yes, Ishita, there's a negligence on the part of the SpiceJet and the agency also, which looks after the ground maintenance and the maintenance inside the aircraft before it takes off for any location, whether it be domestic or international. We have seen whether the flight takes off. In fact, when there are the bigger aircrafts like Boeing aircraft, the maintenance checks happen for almost half an hour to 40 minutes. The maintenance checks is done by the agency before it takes off. In this case also, there would have been a maintenance check, but whether they were lacking any technical system, technical error they were lacking, and it was not mentioned in the MEL logbook, or the maintenance agency didn't apprise the pilot in command of the signal issue, of the technical issue, and whether the heads up was given by the authorities to the pilot in command that there's no issue, the flight can be taken off for this particular destination of Leh. Such things could be there, in the maintenance issue could be there, and that was the reason why there was no warning alarm in the cockpit, and it is a grave issue. This is a matter of utmost seriousness, Ishita, because any untoward incident would have taken place today if the pilot wouldn't have used his wit and his and the right time, the right call would not have been made by the pilot, then any untoward incident would have been taken place. But the pilot immediately made a mayday call, and seconds after takeoff, takeoff from the Delhi airport, immediately the turnaround was made and the emergency landing was done at 6:45 a.m. Ishita. The reason the entire Delhi airport was emergency declared because of this issue, because of engine failures, because the ATC was of the opinion that when the landing would happen, because there was already fire in the engine, anything untoward should not have happened. Therefore, all these services, emergency services, were there at runway 28 to take care of the issue there which had occurred in the SpiceJet aircraft. But there's a very grave issue. The seriousness is of utmost importance, and therefore entire investigation has been ordered by the regulatory body, and SpiceJet has to submit the full report to the authorities on what led to this technical error in the cockpit.
Right. Of course, Harsha, it's a big safety hazard here. Although a bigger crisis has been averted, but the negligence here cannot, in fact, be ignored here. There was no warning of the fire in the cockpit, and had the right action not been taken by the pilot at the right time, we could have been facing a bigger crisis here. But Harsha, I want to ask you, the questions about negligence have to be answered. Questions about technical error have to be answered by the airline. Do we have any statement from the SpiceJet yet on this big fiasco, on this big technical error that was there in their flight?
Ishita, we broke the statement in the morning only when this particular incident came to light. In the morning only, SpiceJet shared the statement with us at Republic TV. SpiceJet had a very templated response to the media, a very templated response where they only had stated that there was no warning signal in the cockpit of the aircraft. The passengers are safe. Accommodation is being arranged for all the passengers, for the flight will be departing tomorrow. That means tomorrow the flight will depart from Leh. That was a templated response which came from SpiceJet, that no passengers were harmed. Yes, the passengers were not harmed, but anything could have happened. What we have seen in past in AI 171 crash, one thing is for sure, that any matter regarding fuel or engine could not be taken lightly when the aircraft maintenance and technical issues are concerned. Ishita, what happened with AI 171 was because of the fuel switch control, which is directly linked to the engine, and in this case also there was an engine failure. There was a fire in one of the engine of the SpiceJet Boeing. Boeing is also in question. The SpiceJet airline is also in question. That's the reason why only with prelim report this matter will not be sorted. They will have to give the entire investigation report, the probe exactly why there was technical error, why the maintenance was not done, why the cockpit warning signals were not fixed if there were issues. Back to you.